another Unity quick tip video. Today I am using the kit Deer Cart. It is an adorable kit and this fawn is super cute. I am watercoloring this beautiful stamp with Zig Clean Color Reel brush pens. And as you can see, I am only outlining the outside of my stamp. I want the stamped image itself to be a nice soft color. I don't want it to be too dark. So by outlining my stamp lightly with my Zig Clean Color Reel brush pens, I am only going to be getting a light color. Here I'm doing the same thing. I am outlining the trees with my green and I'm just going to make it nice and muted by only outlining the outside of it. I'm using the Lawn Fawn die cut. They're mountains. And I'm also going to be using the hillside. Adding the trees. Adding a few pop dots to pop up this cute deer and cart with the little bunnies inside. I punched out some clouds with my Fiskars punch and I'm inking it up with some Tim Holtz Distress Ink tumbled glass. Adding a cute die cut word joy. And there you go. Thanks for watching. Bye.